Wondering how you can bypass the dreaded flu-like symptoms that can come along with building metabolic flexibility on your keto diet? While we all may experience keto flu a little differently and there's no guaranteed method to avoid it, there are some remedies you can try to make the process of reaching ketosis feel a bit easier. Actually, drinking more fluids in general, including water and no-calorie flavored water, can help with rehydration. Additionally, increased fluid intake might also help you feel more full, leaving you more satiated and less hungry. Make sleep a priority during this time to help combat your zapped energy levels. This means giving yourself the time to get a lot of rest, removing distractions before bedtime, and emphasizing both the quantity and quality of your rest. While some people advocate that you don't need to worry about these on the keto diet, we don't have any research supporting this theory. It's likely that the types of food you eat or ketosis alone don't outweigh the need for some calorie control to reach your weight loss goals. In fact, eating an overwhelming number of calories more than what you burn will likely still lead to weight gain, regardless of whether or not you've gone keto. Staying hydrated and eating slightly higher sodium contents may help improve keto flu symptoms. That's because diuresis can also promote sodium loss. Electrolyte depletion can also be a culprit behind some of your keto flu symptoms. This includes sodium, potassium, and magnesium imbalances that can affect your system. Meditation offers a slew of benefits for the mind, body, and soul, attacking a wide range of keto flu symptoms. On the weight loss front, meditation is thought to be beneficial for binge and emotional eating as well as weight loss maintenance in obese individuals. While cutting carbs is the main factor behind promoting ketosis, eating plenty of healthy fats is also needed. A low-fat keto diet is essentially a form of starvation. Not to mention the point of keto altogether is to optimize your body's ability to burn fat and produce ketones for long-lasting energy. If none of the above seem to calm your keto flu woes, you may want to consider a more scaled approach to keto dieting. This means upping your carb intake slightly to give your body more time to adapt to using more fat for fuel.